I am.
You're working on a damn GMC. It's not we, it's a you.
We'll be taking out the coolant at the end.
You pointed out that we're over here driving with the windows down, and it's like 30 outside.
Oh. Man, there's still oil down here.
Hey, oh my God.
Grinding
hey,
all the rust.
The are busted too.
No, they're not.
Yeah, they are.
Bald. You going bald.
Bro, this how I've been since you met me, dog. What you talking about?
I'm just waiting for the day. What's up? Why you look like you from South Dakota?
Because I am.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Thank you for tuning in. So today we're gonna be working on the GMC. We're gonna take out the motor.
I ain't working on damn GMC.
I am.
You're working on a damn GMC. It's not we, it's a you.
Me.
Man, I don't know why, bro. But my car feels a little faster with that exhaust we expect.
See, we're taking out the motor. I bet some people are probably wondering why the truck is over here not exclusive. Well, they have a lot going on, and I have to move fast. I have to start taking it apart, taking the motor to velocity. I'm gonna be sanding it down and getting it ready for paint. So Dave is gonna be painting it, but I'm just gonna be preparing it. First things first, I will be taking out the motor so I can just take it to velocity, just start working on that motor. I'm kind of even thinking of putting a cam in it, but I mean, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. But first, we're gonna go get some food. I also have to go and ask a friend of mine, Steven, if he can let me borrow his engine hoist. David at his shop doesn't have one. This is a paint shop. He is working on a little bit of engine work, but that's just the little basic things. Let's get to work in this cold ass weather. Texans, we ain't used to this cold weather. All right, guys, so the first thing that I'm gonna be doing is taking out the front end. We're gonna be taking out the radiator, taking out the intake. We're taking everything basically off so we can start trying to take out the motor. Should we take off the grill, or should we
take out the light, take out the grill, everything?
You think that's
gonna be easy?
All right, guys, so the first thing that I'm gonna be doing is taking out the whole front end, so it has easy access to take out the motor and transmission. I still have to call Steven if he can let me borrow the engine hoist. What?
No wonder it feel kind of warm.
Dumbass. Look, I get on my phone and I'm like, oh, that is burning his ass.
It is kind of warm.
It just became a work jacket, I guess.
What happened to your jacket?
You got burned.
Where? Oh.
So what you're asking me is if you can borrow my engine hoist?
Yeah.
Or my engine stand?
The engine hoist.
Just bring it back.
Yeah, for sure. Okay. All right, appreciate it.
Send her a message on Instagram.
All right. Hey, there's a car meet going down at Project Torque on Saturday, a big one. So if you're down to go.
I don't know, maybe.
All right.
All right, I'll talk to you later.
All right, man. See you. But for now, we're gonna start taking this thing apart, see what happens. I'll be taking out the coolant at the end. Oh, she's almost done, so I can take off the front, because this is my first pull-out motor. I tried to do it with the little V6. I kind of gave up at the end because it was a tool that I needed to use, and I couldn't figure out how to take out the fuel line that's connected to the motor, because it was kind of like the LTs have like the specific little tool that you have to put in there just to take it out. But I didn't know that, so I just let Alex do it, and I was close to taking it out, but I just gave up at the end. Coolant's gonna be the last thing that I'm gonna be taking out. Honestly, I wanted to wait for the coolant because I didn't want it to be all dirty like that in the floor, and I didn't want to step on it. So we're almost there, guys. Time to take out the coolant. Fun part has begun. This is gonna be a pain in the ass. I'm trying to take off so I can take out the coolant.
There it goes, Papa, there it goes. Gonna throw it all over my floor.
You allowed me to do this in your shop, so you knew the risks.
I have no forearm strength because we never worked on a car.
Yes, I have. This is just a little tough.
He does 30 sit-ups before he takes the picture.
Oh.
I throw you to throw it in that can, dog.
It won't fit. It won't fit. Go get it.
Yeah, hold on.
And that thing is gonna fill up so fast.
No, it's not, because you're not throwing everything out. I was just throwing out what's in here.
Bro, that's not helping. That's not helping at all.
Let go.
I did let go.
No, like, I put it on the bottom.
That shit looks like.
You just literally send it in.
It's gonna spill all over the place.
Ow.
Look. Alright, look.
There you go. Okay.
Damn, this is cold. Plus, we don't have the pan, so.
One more.
What? Ah, let this.
Push your truck out.
How much push it out? So
Put it in neutral. You don't gotta push it out. It's just gonna roll out.
here.
We're gonna go eat?
Yeah.
Here.
Thank you for your support. I love this little car. You're selling it or what?
Yeah, I'm still selling it.
Feels good.
Bro, why haven't you pointed out that we're over here driving with the windows down and it's like 30 outside? Look at my ear, I can't feel it.
Bro, we're used to this. Bro, it was hot over there and it got colder over here. It got colder over here and it was hotter over there. This is literally my second fill up. What do you think, Jose? You like
Bro, this dude got ketchup bottle.
Alright guys, we're gonna go get some food at Fuck. We're gonna get some Asian food. You cold? I thought it was big boy season. I thought you could stand the cold.
Come on!
Damn, I know it's cold. Damn. Chance, you better not throw it again.
Put that shit in the trunk.
Damn, it's a good thing this thing has a heater. Where the
Dang, you would have been dead and being caught by 5-0.
You're not gonna know how to handle the car if it slides. That's something you learn with experience.
What?
8 p.m. is snowing.
In Houston?
Yeah.
Oh, what the hell?
70%.
8 p.m.
And I still gotta go pick up the engine for you.
It'll be 28, 27. And tomorrow when we come to work, Chance, it's gonna be 27.
I want to power slide this. No, I gotta go get some gloves.
Jose, this had nice weather all week. And he wants to come on the coldest fucking day.
I'm a warrior.
Really nice ass weather, to be honest.
I did.
What?
It's cold as the other.
Nah, keep going.
Oh, yeah, a little bit more.
That's good.
What are friends for?
Imagine if we were at the shop with no doors.
Your old shop?
Yeah.
That would have fucking sucked. Alright guys, we're gonna continue. Well, I'm gonna continue. Please, what I have to do is take off the starter, rotate the motor, expose the bolts from behind and from the transmission, take off the exhaust, and then take off the motor mounts and the harness, and that'll that'll probably be it. That feels so good. That's hot. That's what I bought.
That's for me?
That's for me.
Then why do I care?
I just wanted to show you so you can use it today. I was actually thought you were gonna say, why did you have to buy that? Honestly, I mean, if it was next to a cardboard and next to the creeper, which one would you pick?
The creeper.
I also bought some gloves because it's cold, and I got a little flashlight. Phone,
This is a real light.
Well, this was $1. This was $1, so.
Look.
Well, this was $1. Oh, it does have LED. I'm gonna take that starter off right now. And there's still oil down here. There's oil still coming out. Slammed on my finger.
Bro. You need an oil pan for the transmission. You need a gasket for the transmission pan.
The transmission lines too.
The transmission lines.
There's only a nut holding that transmission.
There's only a nut holding the transmission up. And it looked like they only fingered.
They
it looked like they only put it with their finger.
Like it's on the tip.
Bro, Nick, you didn't unloosen the exhaust?
Yeah, it did, so watch out because that is loose. I already took off the exhaust, I already took off the starter, I already took off the bolts that are connected to the motor. No, all that's left is the harness.
Did you unloosen it from back here?
No, I got it from the top.
So you haven't unloosened it from here?
Nah, just
These bolts are loose. They're already loose.
Which ones?
These. They weren't even
You know,
on.
I'm not gonna lie, it's fun. Ain't no way. I didn't unbolt it. Oh, you guys, this is getting the new exhaust. We're gonna have to take off everything so we can start grinding all the rust.
The are busted too.
No, they're not.
Yeah, they are. Come check it out over here.
For real?
Yeah. They're gonna have to fix all that too. And the exhaust well, they're fucking crooked and then they're rusted. And then the hanger to hold the exhaust, they cut it off.
Frame.
Brand new U-bolt brackets.
What? What'd you say?
It has brand new U-bolt brackets. At least you save like $2 on those.
Or something.
Alright guys, so we're gonna end it for today. Like and subscribe, turn the bell notification on, become part of the legacy, and we'll see you on the next. I am gonna try to do daily vlogs. If not, you know, I'll try my best. We're gonna drop the truck. I left the hoist. I mean, I haven't taken out the harness yet. It's time to leave. It's getting cold. Tomorrow's gonna be even colder. Is it gonna be colder?
That's what the weatherman says.
So yeah, I'm gonna go to Steven tomorrow and I'm gonna go pick up the engine hoist. Call it a day for today and just look forward for tomorrow. It can't always be night. Don't that do work? Shout out to David, his Instagram in the description below. He does paint and body over here.
You're not gonna put my Instagram down there. Yeah, so don't even be saying you're gonna put it down there.
Yeah,
And that's all for Intake Legacy. Alright, loser has to close the gate in this cold weather.
okay. Between y'all.
It's not an easy gate to close because it always has closing issues.
Alright, here we go.
So remember that. Champ, you bet first. You pick someone. Let's go, man. Rock, paper, scissors. What the f was that? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Damn. Alright, so he's out, and then the persons that are out, they battle it out. And then whoever loses, we go, and then that loser closes the gate.
Alright, come on.
Alright. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Ooh, I'm good at that game.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. He thought he was gonna get it.
Go again. Ready, set, go.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. You got mine. I didn't think about it. Plus we're high, so I didn't even think about it
That
that
was a
much.
championship.
That's it. Alright, so you want to risk it?
Nah, fuck that shit. Alright, let's go. As long as it gets the job done, right? Take my truck! Bitch, you told me you were gonna help me. So better, and I couldn't even take that one out.
Like this one's on a washer. Niggas Mexican side.
I married a girl that has Mexican in her.
Nah.
Nah, she's gonna snap. It's not coming out.
Go.
I already took them out.
Go ahead.
You can already hear it. Look,
Bro, just
3,
go.
2, 1.
Go. I just want to see. Just go. Oh.